Molweni Bafundi. Video 24 deals with counting, and this is a very important section. Earlier on, we made a brief reference when we mentioned how many people were in our house. But this needs a little bit more detail, in fact a lot more detail, in order to bring out about some understanding about the mechanics of isiXhosa and to eliminate parrot fashion or parrot-like learning. So let's first of all look at the basic numerical stems from 1 to 10. And it is very, very, very important that you memorize these before proceeding with the sections that follow. So let's look at these. Nye, bini, tatu, ne, hlanu, tandatu, sixhenxe, sibhozo, lithoba, lishumi. Again. Nye, bini, tatu, ne, hlanu, tandatu, sixhenxe, sibhozo, lithoba, lishumi. And you'll notice a little hyphen type of symbol before each one. That means that none of these will ever stand on their own, but will always be linked to the noun being counted, as we will see in the following section. So as we see here, how these stems will be used will depend on what we are counting. And when you see the examples, you will see what I mean. But you will notice that every noun that we are counting has a prefix, a front part, which will be highlighted in bold, and you will see the importance of this prefix as we go through the various nouns that we are counting. So in the first instance, we are counting abafundi. We are counting students or scholars. And I want you to take careful note of how this aba is used, or how it features in all of the examples. So the first question then, bangapi abafundi? How many are they? Abafundi bangapi? Or ubona abafundi abangapi? How many students do you see? Two questions then. How many are there? And how many do you see? Or put differently, they are how many, and you see students who are how many, literally. So, looking at one student, mnye, because you are counting an fundi. Mnye umfundi. Ndibona umfundi omnye. I can only see one. So there is one, and I can see one. Babini abafundi. They are two in number. Ndibona abafundi ababini. So the question, bangapi? Babini. Ubona abangapi? Omnye ababini. Remember, we are counting students. Now, bangapi? Batatu. There are three. Bane. There are four. How many do you see? Ndibona abafundi abatatu. Ndibona abafundi abane. I can see students that are three in number, and I can see students that are four in. The question again, bangapi, how many are there? Bahlanu, they are five. Batandatu, they are six. We are counting abafundi. How many do you see? Ndibona abafundi abahlanu. Ndibona abafundi abatandatu. I can see five, and I can see six. Bangapi, how many are there? Basixhenxe. There are 7. Bangapi, how many are there? Basibhozo. There are 8. Ubona abangapi? How many do you see? Ndibona abafundi abasixhenxe. I can see 7 students. Ndibona abafundi abasibhozo. I can see 8 students. Moving on to 9 and 10. Bangapi, how many are there? Balitoba abafundi. Balishumi abafundi. How many do you see? Ndibona abafundi abalitoba. I can see students who are 9 in number. Ndibona abafundi abalishumi. I can see students who are 10 in number. What is very important is that while we were counting abafundi in these examples, the following nouns, all beginning with aba, will be counted in the same way. Abantwana, abahlobo, abasebenzi, abafundisi. Any word, provided it begins with aba, will be counted in the same way. So we started off then by memorizing the various stems. Nye, bini, tatu, ne, hlanu, tandatu, sixhenxe, sibhozo, litoba, lishumi. And because we were counting abafundi, that ba or aba featured in front of the word referring to the number. Right, so let's conclude this first session, and then we will count something different in the next video. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.